How's everyone doing? Here's another video. It's a follow-up from a video I did before for dough wraps, and I'm going to prepare some spring rolls using those wraps. And for the ones who are new on this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. We're going to kickstart this by preparing the ingredients. First, by cutting the cabbage. We're going to cut this into 4 pieces, slice it into thinly cut julienne sizes, after which I'm going to prepare some cilantro, some ginger and garlic chopped, some 1 piece of onion, and I'm also going to prepare some green capsicum and some grated carrots, after which I'm going to set aside some ground beef, which I'm going to prepare together. And if you're interested, you can also add in some spring onions. In my case, I'm using some vegetable oil. I'm going to add in some ginger garlic chopped and some ground beef, after which I'm going to give that a good mix, add in my chopped onions, and at this point in time, I'm going to add in some salt and black pepper, and I've added some curry powder, and some ginger powder. I've added in some carrots and capsicum, some cooking oil to add some extra flavor, and also cause carrots and cabbage to take up a lot of oil, so it's always wise to sprinkle a bit more during the process to help in the cooking process. And also don't forget to let it cool off once it's done cooking, and also don't forget to season it. So when you're fixing your wraps, as you can see the way I'm folding them, you're going to use some mixture of white flour, which is some white flour butter, which I'm using to bind the wrap together. And I place the mixture, the filling in the middle. I fold it, and I repeat the process until all the wraps that are the required amount is enough. Also, for those who missed the video of the dough wraps and how I prepared them, do find it on my description. I'll leave the link there. Then we're going to start off by adding some cooking oil. I'm going to fry it on both sides, and make sure it's nicely browned on all sides before you take it out. And also, you don't forget, you can always make these spring rolls to be spicy and non-spicy. You can add the spices you choose. They can either be spicy or non-spicy. In my case, it's not spicy at all. You can always serve with some lemon. Don't forget to keep it locked.